Hello everyone, I welcome you to this video. Today we will learn how to make an effective and interesting notes which is easy to recall all important things. Before starting the video, we should keep in mind some important tips. Tip number 1. First of all, you should choose a quiet place to make your notes effective. Tip number 2. You should read that chapter well before making the notes. Wait. Be careful and make your notes perfect. So now let's start the video. Here we have a notebook. In the middle of the page, you have write the chapter heading. Just below that, you write keywords, then write subheading. Then divide your page into two parts. Write the definition on the right side and draw the diagram. And on the left side, you can write some important key points and extra information. Guys, this is my way of making notes. For me, it's easy to revise my chapter. If you don't like this way, then you can make your notes according to you. This is how you make all your notes. So, let's make a note as an example.
Are you all my personal breeds?
I hope this video has been very helpful for you. Take care and stay happy. Bye bye.